shows na yung meron before, since it's such a long tradition, no? Sa 34th year, lagi namang may challenge of how are we gonna take the formula, the tradition, and reinvent it. So, yun yung abangan natin lahat. Like, how is a mascot going to present a new kind of comedy? So, yun naman yung challenge every year. And I would like to say na parang, I'm confident in saying na every year we prove time and time again na we can bring something new to it. And also new performers. Kasi lumalaki na lumalaki. Every year may na-introduce new performers,
So, for me, speaking as a resident then, I think one of the challenges we encountered is having to make this dream become a reality. Given that I applied to the org and Live Aids was still on hiatus and it's been 5 years since. So everything I know about Live Aids is all from the clips I've watched, from the TikToks, from the Reels, and I've always envisioned it as something so grand and so impactful. So now that I'm here as a resident, being part of the company of the production, it feels so surreal, and it becomes a challenge for me to, make that dream an actual reality.
Wow. Okay.
Of course, always mahirap ang self-reinvention. Kasi sa Live Aids 32 ako nagsimula. Tapos 33 drag queen ulit ako. Tapos, ilan na to? 34? 34, drag queen pa rin ako. My God, tigil na natin ito. Diyos ko, di ba? Pero, ano yung different ng kayang i-offer ng Mrs. Tan yung pwedeng ibigay sa kanila? At ano yung bagong flavor na pwedeng i-offer ng Live Aids sa inyong lahat? Ayun,
Thank you very much, candidate number 2. Pasok ka sa top 3.
Ikaw, Karen, go ahead.
Nako, Sir Ambed, it has always been a challenge to be socially relevant. Diba? Kasi napakaraming content on social media. From TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, everybody is trying to be relevant. Now, ano pinagkaiba nun doon sa kayang i-offer ng Live Aids? We try to tackle social issues in a fun way. Because as UP students, as a UP organization, I think we have this kind of responsibility na ipakita sa tao kung ano talaga ang nangyayari sa realidad ng ating buhay.
Correct.
Sa Pilipinas, ano pang struggles ng mga Pilipino? Ano mga kailangan nating pagtagumpayan ng mga challenges sa araw-araw nating buhay? And I think Live Aids has done that for the past 34 years. Although, syempre, with the age of social media, ang hirap nang magpatawa ngayon. Kasi a lot of people get offended easily. Ang daming mga tao na maya-maya, pag nilabas mo ng material mo, tomorrow may iba nang gagamit yan. Diba ganun ka-viral ang pwedeng mangyari sa social media. So, of course, with proper precaution, diba, gagawin natin yung show with, syempre, may konsensya, diba? May kabuluhan, yun ang importante. At higit sa lahat, nakakatawa because Live Aids is a comedy show. So kung paano siya i-marry all together, I think problema na ni Direk At saka mga writers yan. Kaya sabi ko sa kanila, nakatulungan niyo ako sa material ko dahil ang hirap, diba? Pag nilabas yan sa social media and people get offended, especially I'm also part of a news agency, News 5. I'm a mainstream artist. So sabi ko, medyo careful tayo doon sa mga gagawin natin because I'm also protecting the reputation of the organization and of course my own reputation din naman. Sa akin naman ang career.
Correct. Bago sumagot si Direk, may follow-up question ako, Karen.
Yes.
Since sabi niya nga, with all due respect kay sa dalawa, Mrs. Tan and Danielle, no? Being the most experienced sa practice talaga na sa mainstream, award-winning ka pa. So ano yung mga experiences naman madadala mo to contribute dito sa pag-stage na to ng Live Aids, hysterical vision?
I think number 1 is professionalism. Kasi Live Aids is a company of mostly resident members. Mga bata itong mga ito. So I'm not saying that when you're young, you're not professional. But they need to learn more. They need to learn about how the industry works. So whenever I have the chance to talk to them, I tell them, sa totoong buhay, hindi ginagawa yan
Correct.
Dapat ganito ang gagawin natin sa press con, etc. Because I'm coming from a place of experience. Na nagawa ko na to, pag ilang press con ko na to, pag ilang show ko na to, live show, etc. Pag ilang beses ko nang sumulat ng material. So what I'm trying to bring on the table is my professionalism. Na wag nila, hindi to laro hindi to school project. I want to instill to their minds na, hoy, magtrabaho tayo. We are all professionals. Even if, totoo sabihin ko na sa inyo, hindi po kami binabayaran to participate in Live AIDS. Ni singkong duling wala pong napupunta sa performers, sa lahat ng production members, even po sa aming mga director, writers, creatives, etc. We don't get any compensation. Ang tanging nakukuha lang po namin dito ay yung pagbabalik ng pagmamahal at gratitude sa UP sa Mascom. Because ginawa na yan ng 34 years, di ba? Sila R.S. Francisco, Jose Vargas, Giselle Sanchez. Ginawa nila yun din ng libre. And now, I'm so happy that Live AIDS is also contributing to the UP College of Mass Communication. Meron kami mga dinudonate sa kanila. So that at least, diba, yung show namin, may natutulungan na institution. Ganun namin po kamahal ang UP College of Mass Communication.
Galing naman. Palakpakan naman po natin.